What?
What up, guys? So, damn, every video that I make, I always like trying to see if my microphone is on. But today, I'm gonna tell you guys an update about my build. I recently just got spacers and stuff like that for the rear, because currently I have 20mm spacers right now in the front, and I'm gonna do my fender rolling next week. I'm not gonna do it myself. I want to do it professionally and super thin, or like even like, you know, shave it off. But definitely gonna be rolling my fenders next week, and it's about, I forgot what day it is. It's like March 12th. So it's March 12th. I'm gonna be doing my fender rolling next week and do it even. Maybe I'll downsize my fronts to 15, see how it looks. I need that little bit of poke on my wheel, and I hope I don't rub. Yeah, I want to see how it goes. Hopefully, I'm really excited. The fitment gonna be, you know. So I'll be right back when I'm going to be fender rolling my rears and fronts. I'm gonna do the fronts too. So be right back. I am back. It's been about a week now, and I'm gonna head right there right now. Since my appointment is 3 p.m. and right now it's 12:13, so I'm gonna be driving there for 45 minutes and going down south. Yeah, I'm gonna head out, and I'll see you guys there whenever I get there. So I didn't get to record yesterday. It was a bit late. It was a lot of traffic, but today, and I got these spacers right here. I got two 15 mils right now, right here. And the guy that rolled my fender said that I rubbed a little bit, so he could really cut this. So he just rolled it a little bit, since I just need a little bit clearance right here. And I am going to, ooh, no, it's a crash. Damn, where did I curve that? It's fresh. It's really fresh. Anyways, while on the rears, we got a lot of gap, and it's sliced off. There's nothing in here, so it's like kind of paper thin, but it's not paper thin yet. And I like it. It's literally like just like small. I'll be putting 15 in the rears, and actually found out that there's a jack up point here, and I could literally jack up the whole car and just that quick for the rears. And so I'm super stoked that he actually found that for me, and I wouldn't have to be jacking up from one side to the other. I can just do it both at the same time. So I'm gonna set this up, and we're gonna put on the spacers. Alright, so I'm super stoked. You can see the fitment right now. You're still on tripod, but look at that. I'm poking a lot, actually. I should have got 12mm maybe, but I maxed out camber in the rear and front. So I'm thinking it's gonna be the same thing as the front. So I'm lower it. I'm ready? I'm not ready. Are you ready? I'm not ready. Are you ready? I'm not.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
There you go.
Yeah, boy.
Dang. Look at that. 15 mil or 12 mil? I think 12 mil would be nice. Look at that Fitment. Look at that Fitment. Look at that. Ooh. Super crisp with a side of some curb rash. No, it's mosquito. There's no 13, so I can't do 13. But this is nice. This is a Fitment that I want. From here, that is so nice. You see, now you see the camber. Now you see the whole camber right there. See, from the front to switch. Dang! I might get some camber arms just to make like, you know, a little bit more camber power, like -5, -6. Fitment is on point. 15 millimeters. Maybe my travel is gonna be too much. Dang. I am literally gonna warp this if I'm not careful. So, a quick update on the rolling fenders. I actually messed up my fender. You can see right there. You can see closely. It's not supposed to be like that. It's been hitting the rim for like a week or so now, and I'm terrified. What I did last week is that I ordered Swiss springs, and it's gonna go in the rear, which is gonna be funny because I'm gonna have 8K in the front and then 20K in the rear. So yeah, I got the 20K Swiss springs, and the front has a lot of gap, so it's not really gonna rub like crazy like the rear one. And I'm gonna try to remold fenders in the rear by myself, because damn, I actually warped it and I didn't think it was gonna warp. Since I put the spacers and stuff like that, I thought it was like gonna be perfect fit. Well, it is perfect fitment, but it's like it's warping. So yeah, I don't want that thing to happen again like often. So the Swiss springs are gonna come this Friday. Today is what, April 8th? No, 7th. Today is April 7th. So it's gonna come this Friday. Hopefully I'm gonna install that, and hopefully I'm actually good since I just got the vaccine today. My arm hurts, like it feels like I got tased like 5 times. What we're gonna have to do to this one is the Swiss springs, and we should be good. I'll see you guys in a bit when I have the Swiss springs. Okay, so fail attempt on vlogging. So my springs finally came, and they're in this little box right here. My Kami Speed, the Swiss springs with what, 20K spring rate, and hold on a second. Okay, somebody just called me. But I'll repeat myself. I got the Swiss springs already, and 20K spring rate. It's 6-inch height. It's definitely, I think it's shorter. Okay, I couldn't open it with one hand for some reason because I'm really weak. So this is how it looks like.
Look at this dude.
So it's as big as my head, honestly. So it's like 6-inch, and I need to buy the fender rollers. Also, static fitment is about to be there soon. I'm gonna have back pain 24/7. So I'm gonna try to install it within 2 hours because the sun sets at 7:49. So I'm gonna jack up the reel really quick and do all the good stuff and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be right back and put my car in park, something in my driveway. That's what I mean. Okay, so sadly for this part, I'm barely gonna vlog it because, well, I'm barely gonna show it. Wow, why am I so dark? Okay, so basically this part, I'm barely going to, you know, record it because I'm in a hurry. Trying to do this in 2 hours, and we're gonna try to right the left side first driver's side, see if it's good. So I'll be back when I install the left side. So I finally got the driver's side out. It was like 10 minutes. It's not even that hard. It's literally 2 bolts. So this is the springs. You can see that? I am definitely losing about a finger height, which is not bad. And I mean, these are really on there. So dang, that is way too low, honestly. That's like, honestly, have a huge gap. So I'm gonna bolt this up, see how the fitment looks like. If it's not good, no bueno, then I'm just probably gonna, you know, okay, that looks so weird. So I'm gonna look at the fitment, basically see if it's good or not. If it's not, then I have to put back the true hardened springs, and see you guys in 2 minutes, or literally like after this video. Okay, so I did not expect that at all. So fitment is the same. Pretty brutal. Really the same. And it's super like in there. Feel like it's going lower. No, it's the same thing. So I want to see how the other side would look. Right now I'm literally like filling my fender. But I mean, it's the same thing. It's just that this side, there's this one flat side that needs to be rolled out, you know? So I'm gonna put you in the tripod, see how static it is on the side. So I'm gonna sit on the, basically the hatch, see if it's gonna move around, and yeah, static figures. This is 20K. 20K. So, okay, it's a lot stiffer. Alright, so while I'm fixing this, I am gonna go for a quick drive to see if it's running good. And it's not, well, if it's not that stiff. Ooh, forgot. What block's in the rear? Oh no, fronts. Okay, I'll put this on. And see how my fitment is. Oh yeah, it's definitely stiffer. It is so stiff. It's so stiff. I feel like I'm doing the same reaction actually. So I'm trying not to. Right now I'm on stock tune. Feel it here. Ooh, it's not traveling a lot no more. It's definitely less travel, but really bumpy. It is definitely not bad. It is definitely not bad. I would suggest a higher stiffness if you want less travel, but all in all, I love it. It's like I have less things to worry about scraping now, because I'm planning to change my rims this year or next year, so I don't really care about much in this rims. So yeah, I mean, I messed up my fender. That's the #1 thing. I'm probably gonna go back to Eddie and tell him what happened. Horrible, but it's definitely recommended. I would go 22, 24 if you want more, like a little bit more stiffer, but this one's pretty stiff already. So I went from 8K to 20K, so big difference, definitely big difference. Just be careful with the bumps and stuff like that. If you're running fender to lip, you don't want anything to actually rub hard. So yeah, I'm gonna finish the vlog to the springs since it's gonna be way too long, and I want something else to vlog. So I'm probably gonna do the fender rolling in a week, because I gotta do something this week, next week. Oh no, actually 2 weeks. next week I have to do something, photo shoot. So yeah, so I hope you guys liked the vlog. A really long vlog, but definitely did a lot. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.